What's going on? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Revell's 1956 Chevy Bel Air Custom. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alrighty, so first things first is a decal sheet, and you're gonna get your stripes, your license plates. You do got some brake detail for your custom wheels, and Firestone, Bumbo, in silver and black. Okay, you got your grip parts here. I'm gonna keep it in the bag so it don't get scratched up, but you get your main windshield, your back glass, back windshield or window. Looks like a windshield washer fluid or some type of bottle for the engine bay. Hazard lights, headlights, then a few more other parts. Looks like your side glass by your window. Front windshield, pretty cool. You do have tinted tail lights, which is nice. Very tiny lights, and you do have your wheel pins for your stock wheels. Okay, the first chrome tree has your custom parts. So here's an alternator, looks like filter, and your custom wheels. Fourth one is right here, it fell off the tree, but very cool. And your custom valve covers. Second chrome tree is mainly your whole car for your stock and custom as well. Front grille with headlights mode in. There's part of your dashboard. That's pretty cool. That's actually chrome in the real car, so that saves you. There's your hood emblem, ornament I should say. Front and rear bumpers. Tail lights, headlights. I think they're headlights, I'm not sure. You got your windshield wipers and all this fun stuff. Chrome is very cool, very nice, and very well cast. Okay, white model parts. You do have your white trim or white walls for your stock wheels. You do have your interior bucket here, with a little tree connected to it. You do have your back bench seat molded in, but that's not too big a deal. Then the rest is molded separate. Chassis. Everything molded separate, which is super nice. Even your gas tank, that light, that writing back there might be, well, yeah, it might be hidden by the gas tank, except that little GM. You might want to scribe that out, that TM GM. You might want to get that out, but the rest will be hidden behind the gas tank. Here is your custom suspension and diff. So your diff, and being by custom, you do have your brakes molded on. And your front steering / suspension. And you get more suspension arms for the front. Looks like wheel backs, and then your pumpkin for your diff. Interior, steering wheel, steering column, front seat back, and your front seats. And your 3-piece dash, that piece is in the chrome tree. That's your centerpiece. Your top piece and your bottom piece. Okay, more wheel backs. Starter, stock alternator. Bells and pulleys. Looks like horns. Hood hinge for your one pedal. You have another diff for your pumpkin. Okay, here's your engine tree. Have your drive shaft, your exhaust, water pump, radiator hose, suspension, stock valve covers, stock filter, battery, your intake, then your oil pan, heads, and there's your engine halves with transmission, fan, and radiator. Okay, this one has your reef springs separate, that's pretty cool, and more suspension, exhaust, firewall. There's your gas tank / spare wheel mount. So yes, that lighting will be completely hidden behind this. And then this is your stock suspension / pumpkin or diff. So you don't have the brakes mode in. So that's pretty cool. You can have brake lines mode in. That's pretty cool. That's insane. Very neat. Nice detail. Okay, and the last tree has your stock wheels. Part of your bumper or front end. Door panels. And your hood. Okay, next up is your tires. You do have 2 complete sets of tires. So these are your custom tires, low profile, but big, and a very nice tread pattern, and they're very squishy. Then your stock tires, skinny, and opening for your white walls, and there's some writing on there. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. Very cool. And the last thing is going to be your body. Body is very well molded, super nicely molded. I don't see any flash on this. Very nice. You do have headliner detail, just in case you're wondering. But the body is very clean. The panel lines, they're pretty shallow, so you might want to scrub them out just a bit more, so they don't go completely hidden when you use primer and paint and clear or matte clear. Mold lines. There's a big mold line right there down the center of the fender. You can see it clearly. They're pretty prominent. Then for the back, same deal back here. So yes, you do have some mold lines, but that is typical. But that's pretty much about all I see on mold lines. Oh yeah, big one down the trunk. Very shallow, but you can kind of see it going down straight in the middle of your trunk. There you go. To your tail lights. So yeah, you have some mold lines, mold lines, and not too big a deal. Every kit has that, but very little cleanup needed on this kit. But after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, this is an amazing kit. There's a lot of parts. You can, like I said, you can do it stock or custom, so take it your own way. You do have parts for both version, which is very cool. 56, this is probably one of my favorite years of the Bel Air. I love this 56 Bel Air. It's just very classic looking, and it's very nice. You have very nicely detailed engine and interior. I mean, this is definitely a detailer dream. You can really detail the living heck out of this kit, to chassis, to the interior, and the engine bay. I mean, very nice kit, and it's very well molded. Hardly any cleanup. There's hardly any mold lines on the body alone. So this should be a pretty easy, quick build if you want to take it that way, or you can make it an intense build, go of wires and hoses and seat belts, all that fun stuff. I mean, you can go either way, and this kit will look amazing no matter what. But that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.